Hello, my name is Shoden. I'm a Reiki and meditation teacher and mindfulness teacher based in Barcelona, Spain, where I have my own Reiki and meditation school, which is called Kisetsu Reiki and Meditation School. And I teach Reiki and meditation since 2002. I am a Reiki teacher from the traditional Reiki, the Western Reiki school, but also I have done Reiki with the Tibetan school, Karuna Reiki, Jikiden Reiki, or Gendai Reiki Ho, with teachers like Frank Arjava or Yamaguchi Sensei, among others. I have also done some courses of mindfulness and meditation, mindfulness applied to education by the University of Barcelona, or mindfulness and emotional management by the Universidad of La Salle. But mainly my Reiki and meditation practice are extremely influenced by my experience practicing for more than 20 years and practicing almost daily, and also by my beloved teacher Thich Nhat Hanh in Plant Village, where I learned mindfulness and Zen meditation. I have done courses in different places, not only in Spain, but I have also offered courses in Japan or Morocco or Lebanon or France, the Netherlands, Finland, different places where I have also worked as a therapist. And from this experience is what I learned actually what Reiki is and why I want to share Reiki with you, because I really think Reiki can make anyone's life much, much better. This course has different models and more than 60 recorded classes. In these 60 recorded classes, you will refresh, of course, some of the contents that you already know, what is Reiki, the history of Reiki, or the 5 principles of Reiki, but we will also go deeper into some contents that sometimes in an in-person courses we don't have time to explain, like the spiritual roots of Reiki or the benefits of Reiki that has been studied, some research that has been done. So we have all this recorded, so you have it for life, and also all the practices that belong to the first level of Reiki. Of course, self-treatment, where it will be explained, but it will be practiced as well, how to share Reiki with others, treatment of Reiki to others, and some Japanese techniques that some Western schools don't teach because they belong to the Japanese school. So you will have all these contents, and the course is not made just for you to refresh your Reiki knowledge and to practice a little bit. It's made for you to fall in love again with Reiki and to deepen your practice and knowledge of Reiki. It is a recorded course that you will have forever, so you can always refresh your knowledge and get back to your practice if for some reason you lose it. So you have a complete, not only refreshing Reiki course, but a complete Reiki level 1 course. What do you get from this course? First, you have a complete Reiki level 1 course with all the contents that you need, that you can watch and read again and again if necessary. You have recorded practices, so it can make your practice a little bit less lonely. If you want, you can use them as many times as you want. We can practice together, but mainly you get the benefits of Reiki that if you have practiced Reiki before, you already know. It's like this improvement in general in your health, better for stress management or anxiety or pain management, but also these benefits that Reiki offers you when you practice regularly to your life in general and to your people as well. So you have a course that will help you to keep practicing regularly, because we know that one of the problems is that after the course you can be fully motivated, but after a couple of months this motivation kind of decreases a little bit, and because of different reasons sometimes you stop practicing. So you can always go back to the course, redo the practices together, see some videos, and then go back to the practice and enjoy the real benefits of Reiki and the real benefits of this regular practice of Reiki. Thank you very much.